Startup Mathematics series for classes 1 to 5 covers all the topics through clear explanations with ample focus on activities and exercises to develop logical thinking and reasoning. The content is so designed that the students first learn the concept, then understand it and finally apply their knowledge in real life. Let's check out some of the amazing features of the series. The series is based on the latest NCF guidelines with the carefully graded content along with the conversation and story-based concepts. There are in-text exercises after every topic for students to check their understanding of the concepts. Remember and quick tip sections highlight the important points related to the concepts. There is a variety of chapter and exercises which include sections like how much do you know, let's evaluate, values and life skills, etc. Questions based on thinking skills are given in the sections like Little Genius and Stretch Your Brain. Some selected NCERT textbook questions have been included to help learners get an idea about the type of questions covered in the NCERT textbooks. To break the monotony of the subject, concept-based activities and worksheets are given in all the chapters. Let's review and assessment sheets are included after a few chapters for students to check the overall understanding of the concepts. Subscribing to Startup Mathematics makes the teacher's life easy too. The Teacher's Resource Pack has everything a teacher needs: comprehensive lesson plans, solutions of selected questions, and worksheets. Startup Mathematics also offers online support for teachers. It includes ebooks, audiovisuals, solutions of the selected questions, worksheets, and test generator. The Startup Mathematics app for Android, iOS and web is an engaging learning tool which is a must-have digital component for teachers and young learners to enjoy a wholesome interactive learning experience. Let's have a look at the modules of the Startup Mathematics app. They are Test Your Knowledge, Activities, Terms to Know, Points to Remember, Download and Practice.